Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you how to adjust, pop your tailbone, back tailbone. This is how you do it. You lay down with your knees up, 45 degrees angle, bent. So 45 is about like this. You place one leg down, and then with your left foot, you slide it. You slide it, and then once you get down, you push yourself up using your hip up, and then your knee down. And then you should hear a pop. So, same goes for the side, 45. Slide your right foot down, then use your hip up, knees down, like so. That's how you do it. Please advise your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. Again, I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.